Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to permanently delete your Facebook page. In this case I open Facebook official website, and as you can see I have opened my page. Once you are here, just in case if you don't know how to go to your page, just press this button that is going to switch between your personal accounts and your page. And once that you are here in your Facebook page, what you're going to do is to click on your profile picture, then go to Settings and Privacy and Settings. Here you will have a lot of options, but the most important one, you have to scroll down in this side and you have to press on Access and Control. Here it's really easy. As you can see, you can deactivate your page or you can delete it. This is temporary, your page will disappear, but just for a period of time. But in this case, the page will be deleted forever. So in this case, we are going to continue. If you want to download your information, you can click this button and access to your post, to your pictures, to your comments, etc. We're going to continue, and now we only have to type our password and then we can continue with the elimination of our page. So it's as simple as this. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.